In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend or loop an audio track using Suno AI. This process is particularly useful if you're working on a project that requires a longer audio duration, or if you simply want to add loops to your favorite track for a more immersive experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Suno AI on your Chrome browser. It's important to make sure you're using Chrome for the best compatibility and smooth performance. Once the web page is open, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. It's a simple process and will give you access to all the tools you need. After logging in, the next step is to upload your audio track. You can do this by selecting the Upload option, where you'll be prompted to choose your file. Alternatively, if you've already got tracks saved in your Suno AI library, you can simply select the audio track you want to work with from there. Once your audio is uploaded or selected, we're going to focus on two primary features: extend and loop. These are really handy tools that Suno AI offers. The extend feature allows you to lengthen your track, adding seamless extensions that match the original audio. If looping is more your style, the loop feature lets you repeat sections of your audio to create a continuous playback effect. Now decide how long you want to extend or loop your audio. You can input your desired time length, keeping in mind the duration you need for your specific project. It's all about tailoring it to your personal requirements, so take the time to get it just right. At this point, you'll want to preview your extended or looped audio. Click on the preview button to listen and ensure everything sounds smooth and cohesive. If anything feels off, you can always make adjustments to the length or loop points until you're satisfied with the flow. Once you're happy with the results, it's time to save your work. Suno AI gives you the option to save or export the final audio track. Choose the format and location that best suits your needs and make sure it's stored in a place where you can easily access it later. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to extend or loop an audio track using Suno AI. This method is great for enhancing your projects and creating audio experiences that go beyond the ordinary. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on leveraging technology in your creative endeavors. Until next time, happy creating.